Welcome to differentiability. So to check whether a function is differentiable or not, you need to check if it's differentiable at every point on the continuous curve. So firstly, it must be continuous, which we looked at in the last video, and you must be able to differentiate at every point. So normally we only check the main point, which might be a piecewise function, where there's two functions that meet at a particular point. And if they differentiate at that point to equal the same, then we say that they are differentiable. So for our two functions, the first one, the red line that's been drawn, is 2x minus 1. When x equals 1, y equals 1. And on our blue line that's been drawn, well, our blue curve, because it's x squared, when x equals 1, y equals 1. So since it's the point 1, 1 on both functions, it is continuous. So let's check whether it's able to be differentiated at this point, or whether the differentiable is the same at this point. So for our first function, 2x minus 1, when we differentiate that, we get 2. F dash of 1, therefore, is 2, because we've got no x value to substitute into. For f of x equals x squared, the f dash of x is 2x. Substitute 1 in and we get 2. And since our differentiation at that point is both 2, we say that the function is differentiable at x equals 1. Thank you.